Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we go again. We are here inside. So, ito na naman ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. To, fish pan at the back. Talagang fish pan guys. There's a fish na nilagay ng dad ko kasi we love harvesting fish. Nagmumukha na kaming fish. So, fish is good for being wet guys. So here we go at the top of the mountain. There's some houses at the back, our neighbors, and here we go. That's the boundary next to the coconut tree, and there's the view on top of the mountain, and we're surrounded of mountain. And there as you go, this is the septic tank of the swimming pool. I don't know how they call that, but you can call this as um, ano yan, lagyanan ng tubig from the pool. And we have 3 sheds there over there. Kung makikita nyo, yung big one is the 6 rooms, 7 rooms, including the meter room. And that's the sheds. That's incomplete pa yan, guys. Pero pwede nang pag upuan ng mga swimmers. And of course, that's my dad. Planning, of course. And there you go. That's the hall where you can spend your wedding, you do your wedding, anniversary, whatever, ang daming occasion to be held. And we've got 3 villas at the moment here on the renovation kasi alam nyo na bakit. And of course, if you want to ask something, you can just ask me kung anong nangyari dyan. So, under renovation guys. So, and that's the more worse there. Hindi pa nagagawa kasi wala tayong budget guys. So, ito, we've been planting these trees, plants pala kung anong tawag dyan. So kulang ng 10, so I need to order 10 more for that. And see, andito pa yung tubig since the other day. Tignan namin kung katagal yung tubig na mag-stay there kasi yung tubig, since no water here last time, may tubig na dito. That's why that's really good for the fish. And yung side niya yan, probably we're going to plant cacao trees. I've been planning that for almost 1 week na. Tinamad ang lola nyo kasi ang daming trabaho. So ito, naglalakad uli. And of course, my cousin already planted some okra here. Pero yung okra kasi nagba-brown na siya pag ano. So kailangan natin ang ganitong greenish para naman matuloy ang pagpa-plant natin dito. And of course here another courtyard later kung ano yung plano. And of course andun yung black na nakikita nyo, that's the pool which is ready for use. And that's the toilet, 6 rooms and 1 meter room. And there you go, that's the 3 sheds over there. Yan ang maliit kong hall. And we've got 3 villas here, one at the back that you covered by this one, 1 family room and 2 as room, 2 rooms including toilet. So yung family room na tinatawag ko, that's included the 2 bedrooms, no, 2 beds, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and bathroom. Yeah, with ano na, kompleto na. Just visit this place and you'll see. And of course, we have ano to dito, yung septic tank na doon sa may septic na doon sa may pool. We have also 2 pools there under renovation kasi pangit nga ang pagkagawa. So we haven't used this villa. Kaso nga lang nadali. So nadali ng gumawa. So ang daming mga anong tawag nun? Ginawan nila ng ano yon, pag drainage for both water, swimming pool, those small pool there and over there. And there you can see the other villa. That's huge one and this is mini one. So there are 3 villas over here. Yes, one at the back and 1 here in front at the moment. And andito na yung linya ng mga septic yung drainage ng mga pool natin. At at the same time, nagmagic na rin yung septic tank na ginawa nila dito, the shower room, the kitchen, the sink, they all put together in the septic tank. Kaya nagkabulolyaso, ang daming mga drainage na ginawa dyan ngayon. So, I have a very huge thing there to keep all the water once yung toilet or septic tank is full. Kaya ang hirap din talaga ang magpagawa ng bahay na wala kayo, guys. So you have to think how much we spend for this thing. Hindi ninanakaw, hindi hinihingi, pinaghihirapan ang perang nagagamit, guys. Kaya make sure next time kung kayo ay magpapatayo ng bahay, make sure na andito kayo and you need to find the legit architect, engineer, and contractor. Yun lang masasabi ko, guys. I've been saying this all the time kasi lahat ng roof niyan natanggal, nagtatanggalan kahit walang bagyo, walang earthquake. Ewan ko lang sa earthquake kung ano pa, sana naman hindi. So, even though without 5 months pa lang ngayon nung before August natanggal na, nagsitanggalan na, not even 1 year, wala pang half year, nagtanggalan na yung mga ceiling yan, walang mga, basta walang mga incomplete talaga, guys. Walang rabbits, walang parlings na nakahang lang dyan, guys. And also the roof is all retaso, including those lines there, retaso. So guys, I've been saying, please don't make your house wala kayo dito. Tsaka hanapin nyo talagang legit kasi ang Pilipinas napupuno na ng manluloko. Kung anong gagawin ng taas natin, ganun ang ginagawa din ng maliliit. So, I've been saying that may signal na nung ako'y nagpagawa, but because of trust, ganito ang nangyari, guys. So, ingat-ingat sa pagpapagawa ng bahay. Kaya yun lang. Yan ang paggagawa nato na swimming pool, incomplete na hindi mo maintindihan. So, there you go. Medyo okay na rin, nagkakamukha ng ano na rin. So guys, thank you for watching. I've been saying many times, please, ano lang kayo. Pag magpatayo ka ng bahay nyo, make sure na legit, guys. Legit talaga, hindi yung sa bunganga lang siya marunong. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. It's newly painted also, hindi pa tapos. Kasi yung pinto niyang dati nagbakbak talaga, as in nagbakbak, hindi. Tapos yung mga walls niya, tiles nagtanggalan din, so we have to repair. Puro taso na lang yan. Pero even the inside one, yung sink niya, yung bathroom niya, baliktad. Yung tubig sana ipupunta sa may hole, pupunta siya doon sa gilid, which is not really the skwala, sabi nila skwala iba. Yung pag nagsha-shower ka, pumupunta doon sa kubeta, doon sa toilet bowl, yung tubig. Oh my God! So guys, make sure you hire the legit architect, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, and please follow, like, and share. And here you go, we're on top of the mountain, the very top of the mountain. Yun lang. So okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. Hope you can visit our place later. Thank you. Bye.